Hello viewers, welcome to Saleh Academy. In today's video, we are going to learn how to do division of values in Microsoft Excel. As you can see here, this is a table from an invoice format. Here my requirements is to obtain a per unit amount by dividing the total amount by quantity for these 5 types of items. As we have learned in the past video, start the formula by putting equal to sign. Select the first value, put forward slash, select the second value and press enter. You can see here we got the per unit amount of the first item. Now for the per unit amount of the remaining item, use the autofill feature of Excel. Select the reference cell. Double click on the bottom right corner of the selected cell. You can see that we got the per unit amount of the remaining items also. In this way, you can do the division in Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching.